For generations, our planet was defined by clean rivers, healthy forests, and thriving ecosystems. Nature provided the resources we needed while maintaining a delicate balance. As global trade expanded, packaging became essential for protecting products during transportation. Plastic materials offered convenience, durability, and low cost, making them the dominant choice for sealing millions of cartons every day. But convenience came with a cost. Plastic packaging waste has become one of the world's most visible environmental challenges. Many countries are now working to reduce single-use plastics and increase the use of renewable, recyclable materials throughout the packaging industry. This shift has encouraged the development of paper-based alternatives. One of them is water-activated tape. Made from Kraft paper and coated with a starch-based adhesive, water-activated tape bonds securely to corrugated cartons when activated with water. The result is a strong, tamper-evident seal using a paper-based material. Behind every roll is a precision roll-to-roll converting process. Large jumbo rolls are printed, reinforced when required, coated, slid into finished widths, and rewound into the final rolls used by packaging operations around the world. The journey doesn't end after the carton is sealed. Because water-activated tape is paper-based, it is designed to be compatible with the paper recycling stream used for corrugated boxes, helping simplify material recovery compared with conventional plastic sealing tapes. As the packaging industry moves toward more sustainable solutions, water-activated tape represents one example of how material innovation and advanced converting technology can work together to support a more circular future.